Welcome to my channel. Today you're going to learn about proposition. So this is introduction to logic. So what is a proposition? A proposition is a declarative statement that can either be true or false. And it can be both true and false. So ibig sabihin, ang proposition daw ay declarative statement. You are declaring, you are stating. And that statement ay pwede lang maging true o kaya false. Hindi pwedeng parehong true and false. Okay, now, we use variables to represent proposition. We use small letters like P, Q, and R. Now, the value of the proposition, if it's true or false, is called truth value. Okay, so a truth value is the value of proposition that can either be true, we're just going to write capital letter T, or false, and write capital letter F. Okay, now here, what are we going to do now is to identify. Identify which of the following is a proposition. If yes, determine the truth value. Okay, now here, number 1, 3 is a prime number. First, you need to think, is this statement declarative statement? Ano ba ibig sabihin ng declarative? Declarative statement ends with a period. And this is declarative sentence or statement. You are telling that 3 is a prime number. Now, this can be true or false. Yes, so it means this is a proposition. Now, what is the truth value? Is it true or false that 3 is a prime number? Since 3 is a prime number, therefore the truth value of this proposition is true. Okay? Now, you can write this as, let's say, this is our P. 3 is a prime number. We can label that like that. Okay, number 2. 7 is an even number. Okay, you are stating, you are declaring that 7 is an even number. Yes, this is a declarative sentence or statement. Now, this can be true or false. Ito ba ay magiging sagot nito ay true or false? Yes. Okay? Now, what is the truth value of this statement? Is it true that 7 is an even number? Okay, this even is not an even, 7 is not an even number, so therefore the truth value for this is false. So we can write, let's say, this is our Q. 7 is an even number. Okay. Number 3. This is a beautiful house. Okay, it ends with a period. You are declaring that this is a beautiful house. Yes, this is a declarative statement or sentence. But look at this. Beautiful house. For you, that house is beautiful. But to others, it might not be. So, pwede siya dito maging true, at the same time, pwede rin siyang maging false. Diba? So, since hindi pwedeng maging true and false ang proposition, ibig sabihin ito ay declarative sentence pero hindi siya proposition. So, ibig sabihin hindi lahat ng declarative statement or declarative statements are proposition. Okay. Like for example, this car is nice. Okay, sa'yo, nice siya, pero doon sa mga taong mas alam nila yung iba't ibang klase, hindi magiging nice sa kanila, 'di ba? Okay, now here, number 4. Eat your breakfast. Come on, this is a command, inuutusan ka. So therefore, this is not a declarative statement. And for sure, this is not a proposition. Number 5, should I call or text you? This one ends with a question mark. Therefore, this is not a declarative statement. This is an interrogative statement. Therefore, this is not a proposition. Next, here, Jose Rizal is our national hero. Ends with a period, and you are declaring that Jose Rizal is our national hero. This is a declarative sentence or statement, and this can be answered by true or false. Is Jose Rizal is our national hero? This is a proposition, and the truth value is true. Okay, so that's how you're going to identify if the given proposition, if the given statement is a proposition. Sorry about that. And that's how you're going to identify also the truth value. Now, in my next video, I'm going to talk about logical connectives. So please watch for that, and see you on the next one. Bye!